Sam Ntiro is one of the pioneers of African modern painting from Eastern Africa and perhaps the best representative of the programs of the Makerere University Art School in Uganda. This work well represents his oeuvre, which most frequently focused upon pastoral and genre scenes, and was characterized by skillful use of chiaroscuro and simple, elegant forms. Oil-on masonite painting of a pastoral scene painted in rich ochres and greens depicting a herd of cattle grazing in a pasture in the foreground and hills and forests beyond. The forms are washed in a soft light. While the artist uses volume and layering to suggest a deep space, the cattle in the foreground present nearly flat, very simple and elegant silhouettes, which recall the atmospheric qualities of rock arts. Sam Joseph Ntiro, April 20, 1923, January 1, 1993, was an artist and the first East African High Commissioner to the Court of St. James in London from the then Republic of Tanganyika Territory to the United Kingdom. 1. He served from independence in 1961 until 1964. He was also Ambassador of Tanganyika to Ireland during this period. He taught at Makerere College, now Makerere University, Kyambogo Technical Institute, now Kyambogo University, and the University of Dar es Salaam, where he helped establish the Department of Music, Arts, and Culture. 2. In Dar es Salaam he was resident artist, senior lecturer and at his retirement associate professor.